Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable pho. To get started, you will want to make a pho broth. In a saucepan, add 4 cups of vegetable broth, add the juice of 1 lime, add a couple garlic cloves, a cinnamon stick, and a couple pieces of star anise. You'll want to stir everything together and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then you'll want to get the rest of your ingredients together for your vegetable pho. For each serving, you will want a large bowl because this is a big soup. Here I have some cooked rice noodles. These are pad thai noodles that are cooked according to the package instructions. If you're not going to use your rice noodles right away, just run some cold water over them and drain. This stops the cooking process and you can use them a little bit later. So for each bowl of vegetable pho, I'm going to put some of the rice noodles. Then I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. Once your pho broth is finished cooking, you'll want to pour some spoons of it over your noodles. Now it's time to garnish. Here I have some of the traditional Vietnamese style vegetables for your pho soup. I have some mung bean sprouts, some onion slices, some sliced carrots, some cilantro, and some fresh basil. Then I'm going to add some sliced jalapenos. Now it's ready to serve. If you want to doctor it up a little bit more, you could add some of the traditional hoisin sauce. This is a sweet and thick sauce that will give your pho a little bit more texture. And then a little bit of garlic chili sauce. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make vegetable pho. Enjoy.